everyone, this is Anna from English with Kakibana and welcome to another video. So today we are going to do another Christmas song which is called A Christmas Carol, and today we are going to learn We Wish You a Merry Christmas. In the last video I taught the pronunciation of the Christmas Carol I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas. So if you haven't watched that one, I will leave a link in the description and also leave a link up here. And in all of the songs, including this one today, I am also going to explain the pronunciation using the symbols and sounds from the International Phonetic Alphabet. And I've made videos explaining about these sounds and these symbols. So if you haven't watched those videos, I recommend you watch them, and I will leave the link in the description and also up here. So let's get started and practice the pronunciation of this song. So the first line is, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you. Now putting this together, it kind of becomes wish you, wish you. So the y sound we don't really pronounce, and together we join it, wish you, wish you. A Merry Christmas. A Merry Christmas. And this A sound, because we are saying it quickly, it becomes a schwa sound, which is a merry, a merry, a Merry Christmas. Christmas, the T is silent and the last syllable ms is with schwa, so we say Miss Christmas, a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And merry means happy, so happy Christmas. Good tidings we bring. Good tidings we bring. Good tidings. Good tidings. And together we join this together. It's good tidings. Good tidings. So because we have good, the D, and tidings is with T, we kind of join these sounds together and it becomes good tidings. So the good, just a pause there, good tidings. And the meaning of tidings means news, so good news. We bring, we bring. So bring, the NG, the G is silent, and we use the nasal sound and the back of the throat. Bring, bring. Good tidings we bring. Good tidings we bring. And the stress is on these words in the sentence. To you and your kin. To you and your kin. To you. So t is short sound, so it's schwa. T, t. To you, to you, and your kin. And your, so because it's connected, the D in and is very soft, almost silent. And your kin, and your kin. Kin means family. It's a formal word. It's not very common in speaking. To you and your kin. To you and your kin. And the stresses are on these words. And a happy new year. and a happy new year. And a, but joined together, the D is silent and a is like schwa. So it's Anna, Anna, Anna. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Year, it kind of ends with a schwa sound. Year, year. We don't pronounce the R very strongly. Happy New Year. And a happy new year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us, bring, again because it's NG, we don't pronounce the G and it's a nasal sound. Bring and connect it to us. Bring us, bring us. Some, this is an sound. Some, M together, lips together, some. Figgy pudding. Figgy pudding. The D is very soft in pudding, and NG, again nasal sound. Pudding, pudding. And figgy pudding is like a traditional Christmas cake and is very dense and has lots of dry fruit. Figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. And the stresses are on these words of the sentence. And bring it right here. And bring it right here. And bring it. And the D is again very soft or silent. And bring it. Bring, the NG, the G is soft and a nasal sound. Bring it. Bring it. It is like schwa. So bring it. And bring it right here. Right here. And right, because it's connected, the T is almost like we stop the tongue. Right. Stop the tongue at the top of the mouth. Right here. Here, like schwa at the end. Right here. And bring it right here. And bring it right here. And the stress is on these words. Another option for this line is now bring some out here. Now bring some out here. So now bring, again nasal, some, up sound, some, out here. Out, the T, again we stop the tongue at the top. Out, here, here. Now bring some out here. And the stress is on these words. And we won't go until we get some. And we won't go until we get some. And we, so the D again is silent. And we won't go. This T is also silent. Won't go. Until we get some. Again, the T, we stop the tongue at the top. Get some. So it's a silent pronunciation. Now we won't go until we get some. Now we won't go until we get some. And the stresses are on these words. For we all like our figgy pudding. For we all like our figgy pudding. For we all. We, and then there's kind of a y sound in between, so we link the two words. We all, like our, like our, like our figgy pudding, figgy pudding. For we all like our figgy pudding. For we all like our figgy pudding. So the stresses are on these words. With all its good cheers. With all its good cheers. With all, so connecting the two words together. It's good cheers. It's good cheers. Good, again, the D is like silent. Cheers, cheers. With all its good cheers. Or another option is with all this good cheer. With all this good cheer. With all this good cheer. And cheer in this case means like very happy, with good food and good drink generally. We all know that Santa's coming. We all know that Santa's coming. We all know, K is silent, know, that Santa's, that, again the T at the end is like silent and put the tongue at the top, that Santa's, Santa becomes at the end, schwa, Santa's coming, sound, coming, and NG is nasal, coming. That Santa's coming. We all know that Santa's coming. And soon we'll be here. And soon we'll be here. And soon, the D again is silent, or the tongue at the top. And soon we'll be here. Will be here. Here ending with like a schwa sound. And soon we'll be here. So that was the full song of We Wish You a Merry Christmas, with different variations as well. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope you keep practicing your pronunciation. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see future videos. And if you have any requests for your favorite songs, if you want to learn the pronunciation, please leave it in the comments below and I will make it in a future video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.